Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make rolls at home chicken. Preheat your oven to the right temperature and start by making a simple yeast dough with warm water and a little sugar to feed the yeast. Knead until smooth, then let the dough rest and rise while you prepare the chicken filling. Keep the mood relaxed and follow these easy steps for tasty, homemade chicken rolls everyone will enjoy. Make a flavorful filling by combining shredded cooked chicken with mayo, fresh herbs, and a squeeze of lemon to brighten the mix. Sauté onions and garlic until soft and fragrant before folding them into the chicken so every bite is savory. Taste and adjust seasoning with salt, pepper, and a touch of paprika for gentle heat. This filling is forgiving and works well warm or chilled for rolling into dough pockets. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy cooking guides. On another note, quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite is a perfect companion for recipe lovers, letting you read anywhere with a glare-free screen and long battery life. It stores all your favorite cookbooks without clutter and makes following recipes a breeze. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Divide your risen dough into even pieces and roll each piece to a consistent size so cooking is uniform. Spoon measured portions of chicken filling into the center, then carefully seal the edges by pinching or crimping to lock in juices. Brush each roll with egg wash for a glossy finish and bake until golden brown and fully cooked. Let cool slightly before serving so the filling settles and slicing is easier for tidy presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.